Hi everyone, today we'll talk about the level of happiness and financial literacy. Let's keep things friendly. Please listen and share your thoughts. Stay on topic and be quiet unless I ask you a question. Look at the picture. What comes to mind when you think about money? Claire.
The picture shows a simple drawing about money. It talks about things like debt, saving, taxes, and planning for the future. It makes you think about how all these things are connected when you manage your money.
So now, we're going to see how managing money will can improve your life. Let's think about how much money you earn each month. Ika, can you share how much is your monthly income or earning to us?
I don't have a job because I still a student. However, I receive a allowance and I'm saving money from it. My monthly allowance is about 1 to 2,000.
Have you ever created a budget? How was your experience, Janrik?
Yes, I record every penny I spend, use a spreadsheet notebook, and categorize my spending like food, transportation, entertainment, and etc.
How would you describe how you shop and spend? Are you a carefully planner or do you trend buy things spontaneously? Akisha.
Spend money thoughtfully, not too much, not too little.
Rate your knowledge about money from 1 or not much to 5. Very knowledge, De La Cruz. Could you rate your knowledge about your topic? Okay, since you're not responding, Ika, could you rate it?
Sure, I think I would rate a 5 very knowledgeable.
So we talk about on knowing how much you earn, making a plan for our money, choosing what to spend and how much you spend. It all is important for financial literacy. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. We hope this helped you think about money and knew you.